Hey curly girl, I show you how the all-in-one curl cream of CG Curls works. You can also choose the all-in-one treatment to use as a leave-in. I go for the styling cream. Make sure your hair is wet enough, brush it out and section your hair. The cream is thick and very concentrated, you only need a little. It really gives slip and shine to your hair. To distribute the product and to define my curls, I use this brush. Hoppatee, the front part as well. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. If you like a hard gel cast, you can use a gel, but I prefer the cream. It gives hold as well. Because it has a soft hold, your curls will last the whole day. And there's also a travel size available.